How to reset your SKMEI watch. If your watch is not working properly, you can reset it by holding down the top right button for 30 seconds. This will reset the watch and clear any errors. If you want to change the backlight color, you can do that by holding down the top left button and then pressing the bottom right button. You'll see the backlight colors change in a circle. Just stop on the color you want. If you want to turn off the watch, you can do that by holding down the bottom left button for 3 seconds. If you want to change the display from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you can do that by going into the settings, selecting display, and then pressing the plus or minus button to change the display temperature. If you want to change a language, you can do that by going into the settings, selecting language, and then you can scroll through the available languages and select the one you want. If you want to reset the watch back to its factory settings, you can do that by going into the settings, selecting about, and then resetting the watch. This will delete all your watch data and settings and restore it to its factory condition. Subscribe for more tech tips.